Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Canon Pixma TS 3350, and now I can show you how to copy documents in black and white on this printer. So basically it's very easy to do. You need to install paper cards inside of your printer, and then you need to click on the black button. So this is the copy button, and here you have black and here you have color. If you wanna copy in black and white, just click black. Then you need to choose amount of copies. For example, 2 copies or more, and then just click OK. And that's it, and it will print, it will copy a document. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.